Guys, it's Caitlin here. I'm gonna be mixing all my slimes. Well, not exactly all, but most. If you're wondering, I sprung my pinky and I gotta keep it the color, and it's like really hurting. I'm in pain. It's sore. So yeah. I'm gonna put you guys right here for a second. Wait. You know what? Two right here. So yeah, let me get all my slimes together. So we'll be ready. Oh my god. Nope. I'm gonna be mixing my Halloween bucket. I need to grab one more. Okay, it's in this big thing. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna all put them in, and then I'll get these in. So. Okay guys, so far this is all the blues. Now I'm going to add in the greens. This one. I gotta play with it for a few minutes. Okay, I add in the green. Yes, they're sticky. I'm going to add in this other green. Oh, this is actually gross, guys. It puked up the tile. Actually, ew, no, it got on my pants. Frick. I'm going to add in this red one. Well, not really red, pink. See? And now for the yellow one. Okay, guys, they're all in. So, looks like this. Now I'm going to mix it. Okay, so far it looks like this. So far it's mostly the light blue one. To tell you guys the truth, it's hard to mix. Like, I don't know why. Let me pull out my sleeve. And guys, I am in pain. My pinky really hurts. I sprung a bad on my hurt today at school, so I'm in 5th grade, by the way, and I'm 2. This actually feels good, but not so good and weird at the same time. Guys, it turned out like this. Like, I think it might be like a light green, bluish, sort of. Right now it's looking white, sort of. Oh, that's so cool in the black. Oh, this is so hard to mix, guys. Oh, found the green. Okay, guys, it's actually really hard to mix. It actually turned out pretty, I don't know, weird and not so stretchy. Okay, guys, it's time for the fun. Shaving cream. Okay, guys, I'm adding a little, just to let you guys know. I don't want to add too much because running and I was like not even poking. Okay, guys, I'm adding some water. I'm actually telling you guys that I am in pain right now. The doctor said it's been really bad. It would be all gone by a week, but doubt it. It's not broken anything, so that's a good sign. Guys, it's exhausting. The colors is not really mixing, but still looks cool. Like it's like a little sticky, but it's like not sticking to it. So that's what I like about it. It might stick a little too. It's not really that stretchy. Guys, it looks like this. Guess you gotta play with it a lot more, and then maybe the colors will mix. But yeah, it looks like that so far. So, and I have it in this green container. It was mixing there, but I got a little bit too messy. So yeah, I mean, I like it. The colors are still showing. It's pokeable, so it's good. I can add beads to it to make it even feel good. It's a little bit glossy. It's a little bit jiggly, just a pinch. But the only thing I don't really like about it is like it don't stretch. But it doesn't matter if it don't stretch because it's still like it still feels good. You can poke it. You can stretch a little. See? That's it. So yeah, I like it. So yeah, I pretty much like it. So yeah, I will be making more slimes. I'm going to do different recipes. But yeah, but it feels good. the colors are starting to mix in. See right here. I'm actually excited what color it is. I hope it's not like an ugly color, but look. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Have water here. Actually put one of my slimes. It was a blue slime. It had beads in it, so because it was getting all hard and cold. So put hot water in it, leave it in here for a couple of days, play with it. Yeah, worked. So I'm actually liking this because it's actually the colors are actually mixing in, but it's like it's a pretty cool color because it's like not ugly. So yeah, guys, maybe I can make more slimes, get it bigger, and maybe mix the other slime into this slime and actually make it a big slime. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Actually, I don't know, I might not make a videos for a while because this, and I can't really do anything in it, and sadly I can't make slime because actually, guys, this is what hand I write. I have to write with my left now. So that's how hard I use my right, so it's pretty hard to do anything. But yeah, this is it for this video. I know I said it like 2 or 3 times, but sorry. But yeah, I might not making videos for a long time because of this, and gotta get better. So yeah, probably not slime for a while. But yeah, so I might make other videos, like, I don't know. But yeah, so this is it for this video. So, well, guess it's time to go back. And I'm serious, guys. I am in pain. This really hurts. I'm so glad that's not broken. I went to urgent care right next to my house. I'm actually super excited that I did not break it. Some of my classmates, there are musically Haley, Elena, Anna, Kaylee, Sam, Jude, Bryce. Yeah, but I only told the girls, so if they go to my YouTube channel and check this video, you'll know I'm telling them tomorrow that luckily it's not break. I have to wear this for a week, so yeah, and I want to give a shout out, like, I can't write anything, but I want to give a shout out to Omar, Sargi, and James, for all them being brave, going to all the things and actually do it. Yeah, I've been watching their videos, so yeah, I want to give a shout out to them. They're brave. Things to tell you guys, like I said in my other video, how to make something or something, blah blah blah. Told you that my house is haunted. I believe it. So guys, I want to give a shout out to those guys. So yeah, well, see you next video, which is probably going to be a month. But yeah, I'll try to make videos more often. But I can't for a while because of this, and I need to actually focus on my schoolwork, my school. So yeah, I'm actually not focusing on my school because I'm watching YouTube and blah 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 and playing with slime, so I'm not getting nothing done. I'm not focusing. So yeah, and I'm making videos, so that's thing. So yeah, I'm gonna quit for a while, focus on my schoolwork. School's more important than slime videos or anything musically. So yeah, If you have Musical.ly, go check it out. My friend said it's like not so good. I don't blame them. It's my first time, but I'll get used to it. So yeah, check out my Musical.ly. Go to my follows and check out my friends. Check out all the kids and live your life. Have fun. But yeah, have fun with school. Can't do it. I'm trying to do a piece. That's our piece. Bye. Mwah.